Hello kids. Say with me color name: orange, red, pink, green, blue. Write with me: A. A is for apple. Write with me: B. B is for ball. Write with me: C. C is for car. Write with me: D. D is for doll. Write with me: E. E is for elephant. Write with me: F. F is for fire. Write with me: G. G is for green. Write with me: H. H is for house. Write with me: I. I is for eyes. Write with me: J. J is for juice. Write with me: K. K is for kite. Write with me: L. L is for lemon. Write with me: M. M is for monkey. Write with me: N. N is for nose. Write with me: O. O is for orange. Write with me: F. F is for thunder. Write with me: Q. Q is for queen. Write with me: R. R is for rabbit. Write with me: S. S is for sun. Write with me: T. T is for tiger. Write with me: U. U is for umbrella. Write with me: V. V is for van. Write with me: W. W is for water. Write with me: X. X is for xylophone. Write with me: Y. Y is for yo-yo. Write with me: G. G is for Jew. Count with me: 1. Count with me. 2. Count with me. 3. Count with me. 4. Count with me. 5. Count with me. 6. Count with me. 7. Count with me. 8. Count with me. 9. Count with me. 1 and 0. 10. Subscribe for more video.